Ernesto and I'm the math professor. So the first thing that you have to do to identify the problem that this company have to say that they are the best company of radio in the whole country, you have to follow the process to find this answer. So the first thing you have to do as a math professor or as a student, you have to read and analyze the problem, then identify the variables of the given function, then analyze the period of the formula and also analyze the frequency of the formula. Then you have to substitute the identified values in both formulas. And for the final thing, you have to solve and set the solution. So I put this example so you can get an idea of how to do it. So it says that the carrier wave for an FM radio signal is modeled by the function y is equal to a sin parentheses, well, the formula, the regular formula. Then where t is measured in seconds, find the period and the frequency of the carrier wave. So with this mathematical model that we are going to follow, we need to find the period and the frequency of the carrier wave. So first of all, we have to identify the variables in the function given, and with this function. And we can see that the object is simple harmonic motion because the equation describing its placement at time at this function, the function we have. And as we know, we have two formulas. The period, that is this formula, that is represented by 2p over w, and the frequency that is represented by w over 2p. So now we have to substitute these formulas to the values that we have already in this formula. So the period, as we can know, we follow the formula, so our answer is going to be equal to 1 over 9.15 times 10 to the 7 seconds. And to get the frequency, we apply this formula, and the answer will be 9.15 times 10 to the 7 hertz. So my final conclusion is that the period of the carrier wave, that is the seconds, that is this one, this answer, and the frequency of the carrier wave, that is the hertz, that is this answer, this one, we can infer that this type of process can be applied also in the vibration of strings, a vibration of spring, a vibration of musical notes and brightness of the rail star, that this could make a company go bigger or go higher. And we can also use the simple harmonic motion to model the numbers of hours of daylight. You can get the time that the company is getting light. And then the model the alternating current and model the blood pressure. That is a different kind of advantages that you as a company, that parental principalities have to or different to the other companies.